Business Law, Chapters 25, Laws of Debtors / Creditor Relations and Consumer Protection. Creditor, the lender in a transaction. The debtor, the borrower in a transaction. Lien, a claim on a debtor's property that must be satisfied before any creditor can make a claim. Attachment, a court-ordered judgment allowing a local officer of the court to seize property of a debtor. Garnishment, an order of the court granted to a creditor to seize wages or bank accounts of a debtor. I didn't know the word of that. The term for that was garnishment, so I learned that in this chapter. Talks about the history and background and the kinds of bankruptcy and bankruptcy management and proceedings. There's a Chapter 7, bankruptcy, which is debtor turns over all assets to a trustee. The trustee sells the non-exempt assets, distributes the proceeds to creditors. I was familiar with bankruptcy, but I wasn't between the different chapters of bankruptcy. I didn't know the difference between them until I read the chapter. Chapter 13, bankruptcy. The wages earners plan. A portion of the consumer's debtor's earnings is paid into the court for distribution to creditors over 3 years or with court approval over 5 years. Chapter 12, family, farmers, and fishermen have a right to file for bankruptcy reorganization under the code as amended by the 2005 Act. Family, farmers, family fishermen. Okay. I didn't know that. A puffery, an exaggerated recommendation made in a sales talk to promote the product. I did not know that either, so that was interesting. I liked the perspective on the video that we had to watch for this week on competition in the marketplace, and I feel like that is an important aspect, and it promotes more business and more products and it's just better off for the consumer because they have more options, a better price options as well, and it just keeps the marketplace rolling in a better aspect. So, thank you. I really enjoyed this year in business law, and I learned a lot about laws around business that I did not know coming in prior to the class. Thank you.